Visual strategies for children with complex needs. Visual timetable 1. A first stage visual timetable using a mixture of photographs and picture symbols. Picture symbols are ordered vertically on a strip of Velcro for a morning, afternoon, or whole day. Spares can be kept in a box or a plastic zip wallet underneath the timetable. Visual timetable 2. A visual timetable for a morning session made using picture symbols of various activities. Each child has their own visual timetable in this slide. Timetables are personalised with the child's photograph at the top. The card is a different colour for each child in the class. Jigs. These are useful for giving non-verbal directions to help the pupil get and stay organised while working. It can also be used to help a pupil complete a sequential task in the right order. Choice boards or flipbooks. These reduce frustration, helps the pupil to be more motivated to do a task or an activity that they have chosen, gives them ownership, helping them to make a choice in what they would like to do on any given day. Choices can be limited to 2, 3 or 4 to structure the pupil's learning. PEX Folder 1. PEX folders are used to store picture symbols in an organised way. Build a sentence along the Velcro strip to communicate a basic want or need, e.g., I want banana. PEX Folder 2. This is another example of a PEX folder showing a page of picture symbols that this pupil knows well. They are able to choose or even request what they would like by putting the symbols on the sentence strip and exchanging with an adult. Communication books. These are title pages from different sections of the communication book. These books are useful to support pupils who have difficulties with spoken language. Communication books are personalised to each pupil. Topic books or games. Topics need to be differentiated to meet the child's individual needs and provide access to the national curriculum. It's important for making foundation subjects real, relevant and meaningful to the child. A range of worksheets, games, models and topic books all support the pupil's concept development. This is just an example of a game to give them access to the topic of the Vikings. Play scripts. Some children with ASD play in a very repetitive and obsessional way. Play scripts can be used to support the child's play by providing a structure for them to work through. The method of using play scripts. The play script is modelled and taught by an adult. The child is shown visually what to do at each step of the sequence. They learn to perform this with an adult, then with a peer. It introduces sharing of materials and turn-taking. It's often useful to use my turn and wait cards to support. Play script stories. The story sequence is set up using Playmobil equipment. Each stage set is photographed. The pupil is shown how to play with the toys, following a sequence of photographs and a play script, speech bubbles, or typed sentences. We're now going to move on to reward charts. This particular reward chart was set up for a child with ADHD. The aim was to increase on-task behaviour. The child was required to achieve 3 footballs for good behaviour. And then the reward was some time on the computer. This is a different type of reward chart. This is one that can keep the pupil well motivated. This chart was designed around the child's favourite television programme. The child would get 1 minute of playtime on a Friday afternoon for each lion cub earned. Number lines. Number lines are a visual resource to assist in the differentiated teaching of number sequencing and the investigation of pattern. They embody all learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Commenting windows. They support language development. They focus on the pupil's visual field to look at specific areas or detail. They encourage social communication in class and around the school. Visual stories. Stories can be made meaningful, real, and relevant to the child. Photographs are used to give a powerful visual image of the event. The story sequence is placed vertically in order down a strip of Velcro stuck on laminated card, similar to how a visual timetable is presented. Hope you enjoyed this short presentation.